All of you, in the previous class we are solving the questions of permutation and combination, and in the last class we have seen some questions of exercise 7.2 we have solved. Now today we will, and in the last class also we have discussed about the permutation and the concept of permutation we have seen. Now today we will solve some questions of your NCERT book based on permutation. Let's see one by one. Our exercise 7.3, first question. Our first question is how many three-digit number can be formed by using the digit 1 to 9. 1 to 9. We will use the digit from 1 to 9 and we have to form the three-digit number. If no digit is repeated, in the question it is saying that no digit is repeated, then find the three-digit number using the digit 1 to 9. So total number of digit is 9 here, and this is equal to and we have to find the three-digit number. Three-digit number is equal to written as by R. So R is equal to 3. Okay, because the number of digit is 3, we have to make three-digit number from using the digit 1 to 9. So from an object we will arranging our object, so it will be the total number of numbers will be, so total number of numbers from n, from 9 numbers taken 3 numbers when no digit is repeating will be equal to 9p3. So we can write what? Factorial 9 divided by factorial 9 minus 3. We can write factorial 9 by factorial 6, and factorial 9 is what? 9 into 8 into 7. Factorial 6 divided by factorial 6, we can write this and it will be cancelled. So solution will be what? 9 into 8 into 7. So the total number of three-digit number will be what? 504, using the digit 1 to 9 when the digit is not repeating. Okay, so this will be the solution of our first question. What we have to given in this question? We have to given 1 to 9 digit. So the number of digit will be what? N is 9, and we have to form the three-digit number when a digit is not repeating. So the three-digit number is what? Three-digit number is will be when R is 3. So we are arranging what? 3 numbers, taking 3 numbers from 9 numbers. So we can arrange this. How many way we can take? So we can take this, we can arrange this 9p3. So the number of permutation will be what? 9p3. So after solving we get what? 504. It will be our total number of numbers of 3 digit. Okay, now we will see the next question. next question is question number 2, in which how many 4-digit number are there with no digit repeated? How many 4-digit number? 4-digit number. We have to find what? 4-digit number. And the total number of digit is 10. Total digit is what? 10. And we have to form 4-digit number are there with no digit repeated. So first, if we are taking 4-digit number from 10 digit, then it will be 10p4. Then the number of permutation will be what? 10p4. We are taking 4-digit number from 10 digit. Now, but in this permutation, those numbers are also involved which are starting from 0. Okay? And these are not 4-digit number. Those numbers which are starting from 0, and at this place we are writing 0, then those are not 4-digit number. So we will what? Subtract those number from this. This is whole number which includes those numbers which are starting from 0 and which are not starting from 0 also, both. So what we will do? We will subtract these numbers from this number, and then we will get the 4-digit number. So the number of those permutation will be what? So if here if 0 is here we are fixing, then it will not consider. So the total number will be what? 9. And these 9 numbers we will fill this 3 space from these 9 number. So we write 9p3. This is those permutation which is what? The number is starting from 0. ये 9p3 उनका अरेंजमेंट है, उन परम्यूटेशन का नंबर है जो कि स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम 0 से स्टार्ट हो रहे हैं. तो जो 0 से स्टार्ट हो रहे हैं वो 4-digit के हुए नहीं, वो तो 3-digit के नंबर है. तो उनका जो अरेंजमेंट है उसको हम लोगों ने 10p4 जो होल अरेंजमेंट है उसमें से माइनस कर दिया, तो हमें क्या मिल जाएगा? 4-digit का नंबर मिल जाएगा which we have to obtain. Okay, so we will write. Now we will solve this. We write factorial 10 upon factorial 10 minus 4, 10 minus 4, and minus we write factorial 9 divided by factorial 9 minus 3, and this is equal to what? Factorial 10 by factorial 6 minus factorial 9 by factorial 6. Okay, now we will solve it. What we get after solving, we take it, we can write this 10 into factorial 9 by factorial 6 minus factorial 9 by factorial 6. Taking factorial 9 by factorial 6 outside, we get 10 minus 1. Now what can we write this? This can be written as 9 into 8 into 7 factorial 6 by factorial 6 into 9. This factorial 6 and factorial 6 will reduce. What we will get? We will get 9 into 9 into 9 into 8 into 7. And our answer will be what? Our answer will be 4536. 7, 36. It will be our answer. We have to given in this question that there are 10 digit and you have to find 4 digit number from the 10 digit and no digit is repeating. Okay, our question is we have to find how many 4 digit number there with no digit repeated. So we have to find 4 digit number. So this is 4 digit number, and you know, if we are taking R object from an object, it can be, so the total number of permutation will be what? NPR. So here N is 10 and R is 4, so we write 10P4. The total number of numbers are 4 digit from 10 digit. It will be what? 10P4. But in these numbers, those numbers are also involved which are starting from 0. So, and those numbers which are starting from 0, those cannot be 4 digit number, those are 3 digit numbers. So we will reduce from this, we will remove from this whole number, then we get the 4 digit number. So if we are replacing, if we are putting 0 at first place, so the total number of digits will be what? 9, because 1 0 we have taken out. So there are 9 total digits and the places are 3 which we have to fill. So we will fill it how many ways? We will fill it how many ways? So you can fill it with 9p 3 ways. हम इस 3 प्लेस को 9 डिजिट की हेल्प से 9p3 वेज से फिल कर सकते हैं. If and then we will subtract this 9p3 from 10p4, we get those numbers which are only 4 digit numbers. So we are subtracting this from this. So we write factorial 10 upon 10 minus 4 minus factorial 9 upon 9 minus 3 factorial 10 upon 10 minus 4 factorial 6 factorial 9 by factorial 6. Okay. Now this factorial 10 can be written as 10 factorial 9 by 6 and 9 by factorial 6. Now factorial 9 by factorial 6 is 10 minus 1. So it is 9 and this will be reduced. We get 9 into 9 into 8 into 7. That will be our answer. So the 4 digit numbers are this. Okay, which can be found. Now we will see the next question. So the next question is next question is question number 3. How many 3-digit even numbers can be made using the digit 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7? How many 3-digit number? We have to form again 3-digit number using the digit 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7 if no digit is repeated. We have to form 3-digit even number. Okay. So 3-digit even number we have to form. So even numbers are 2, 4 and 6 and there are total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 digit. From these 6 digit we have to find 3-digit even numbers. So if we have to form even number, then we will take when 2 at unit place, when 2 at unit place, then if we are fixing this 2 at a unit place, then we have how many numbers remaining? 5 numbers are remaining from total 6 number. Okay, Now these 5 numbers, and we have to fill how many numbers? 2 numbers. We have to arrange this place and this place. So these 2 places can be filled by how many ways? 5p 2 ways. Okay. So this place, these 2 places can be filled by how many ways? 5p 2 ways, because 2 is fixed at this place, so we cannot take, so our whole number will be what? 5. 1 will be reduced because we are fixing 2 at a unit place. So from 3 digit number, 1 digit is crossed. We have just 2 digit, this and this 2 place, and this 2 place can be filled by 5p2 ways. Okay. Now second, when 4 at unit place, again when we are taking 4 at unit place, then again these 2 places can be filled by 5p2 ways. Similarly, third, when 6 at unit place, then these 2 can be filled by 5p2 ways. So total number of ways will be what? To fill. So the total number of ways, our total number of 3 digit even number will be what? So total number of 3 digit number is equal to what? This 3 into 5p2. Okay. So the total number of this 3 digit even number will be what? 3 into 5p2. 5p2 you can write 5 factorial 5 by factorial 3. This is equal to 3 into factorial 5 into 4 into 3 divided by 3. This is 3 and 5 factorial 5 can be written as 5 into 4 into factorial 3. This 3 and 3 will reduce. We write 3 4s are 12, 12 5s are 16. So the total number of digit, so the total number of 3 digit even number is what? 60. Okay, in this way we can find our 3 digit even number, because we have to find 3 digit even number means our unit place may be one filled with even numbers, means 2, either 4, either 6. So first we are considering the unit place is filled by 2, then our remaining 2 place will be filled by how many ways? 5p2 ways, because one term is reduced, so there is 5 terms, so we reduce, so we fill it 5 ways. And if we are taking at unit place number 4, then what we are getting? We are getting it will be again filled by how many ways? 5p2 ways. Similarly 6, 5p2 ways. So the total number of 3 digit even number will be equal to 3 into 5p2. Adding this and this, we get our result. Okay. Now we will see the next question. Our next question is, question number 4. Find the 4 digit number that can be formed using the digit 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Find the 4-digit number that can be formed using the digit 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 if no digit is repeated. Sorry. 1, 2, 3, 4. We have to find 4-digit number. Okay? The 4-digit number we have to find with no digit repeated. So we can find it how many ways? So the 4-digit number, can be formed. The number of 4-digit number will be equal to 5p4. We can find by this 5p4 ways. It will be factorial 5 by factorial 5 minus 4. So factorial 5 by factorial 1. And 5 is 1. So 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. 5 4s are 20. 23s are 60. 120. So the total number of ways will be what? 120. Now our second question is, second part is, how many of these will be even? So the even number are 2 and 4. Okay. So in the question is saying how many. This is first part of the question. And the second part is saying how many of these will be even. This is total. So the number of even will be what? So if we are taking 2 at a unit place, then it will be what? How many place? Look at in the second part, 1, 2, 3, 4. If we are taking 2 at a unit place, so these 3 places can be filled by how many ways? These 3 places can be filled by, there are 5 numbers. One I am going to fix here 2. So the remaining number is 4. So the total number is 4. And we have to fill how many places? 3. So the total number of places will be what? 4p3. So we can write 4 factorial by factorial 4 minus 3. This is factorial 4 by 1. And this can be written as 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. 4 is a 12. 12 2 is a 24. So the second part is 24. Now if we are, there are 2 conditions because 4 is also even number. If we are fixing 4, then again this can be filled by 4p3 ways. Again we are getting 24 after solving. So the total number of even terms, even numbers. So the total number of even number will be what? Even 4-digit number. Even 4-digit number will be what? It will be 24 into 2, that is 48. Okay. So what we are getting here, that we have to, in this question there are 2 questions. First part is that find how many 4-digit number can be formed using the digit 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it is simple. The total number of digit is 5 and 4 and R is our 4. So we can get the total number of total number of 4-digit number will be what? 5p4. We are taking arranging 4 numbers from 4-digit from 5-digit. It can be arranged by 5p4 ways. So we can solve and get the answer 120 ways. Now the second question is saying in this question that how many even numbers, how many 4-digit even numbers are there in this 120 numbers, how many 4-digit even numbers are there. So there are 2 even numbers, 2 and 4. Now there are 4 places. So if we are fixing 2 at a unit place, there are 3 places remaining, and at these 3 places we can fill. And here is how many numbers are remaining. The numbers are 4 numbers are remaining, and from 4 numbers we are from 4 numbers we are taking 3 places. Okay, from 4 numbers we are arranging these 3 places. So this can be arranged how many ways? 4p 3 ways, because this cannot be counted because it is fixed. It can be filled by 1 place, and these 4 numbers can be taken by 4p 3 ways. So we write factorial 4 minus 3, and we get 24. Now our 4 is also can be adjusted at unit place because it is also even number. So at unit place we can write also 4, so it can be fixed. Now again there are 3 places and we have 4 numbers. So 3-digit numbers can be formed from 4-digit numbers, from 4 numbers, 4-digit it by 4p 3 ways. Again we are solving to this and get what? 24. Now, so the total number of even 4-digit number will be what? This 24 plus 24 is equal to 48. Okay. So our total number of even 4-digit number will be 48. Okay. So I hope you understand, no doubt in this question. So next question is question number 5. From a committee of 8 persons, in how many ways can we choose a chairman and a vice chairman, assuming one person cannot hold more than one position? We have to given total number is 8 persons, and we have to select a chairman and a vice chairman. Okay, we have to select a chairman and a vice chairman, means we have to select 2 persons from 8 persons, and the condition is that assuming one person cannot hold more than one position. One person cannot hold more than one position, so we are selecting 8 from selecting 2 persons from 8 persons. So we write how many ways? 8p2 ways. So factorial 8 by factorial 8 minus 2 we can write factorial 8 by factorial 6. So 8 into 7 factorial 6 by factorial 6, it will be cancelled. So our answer will be what? 56. So from 56 ways we can select. Okay, we have to given 8 persons and we have to select 2 persons. We have to arrange 2 persons from them. So we are arranging these 2 persons how many ways? 56 ways. Okay. Okay, in this way we can find 56 ways. Thank you.